Hello my girlies, welcome back to another new video. Okay, it's your girl. Today I am so excited because I'm gonna be doing a Loki makeup look today. Okay, in honor of season 2 of Loki ending, I'm gonna be doing a Loki look. Okay, you guys don't know, I freaking love Marvel. Okay, but recently Marvel has had quite a lot of flops in my opinion. Okay, there's been a lot of shows and movies from Marvel that I don't really like. However, Loki has not disappointed. Okay, I loved season 1, and then when I found out season 2 was happening, I was really excited and I love it. Okay, so yeah, season 2 has ended and I wanted to do a makeup look. Originally I wanted to do this one like when season 2 first started, but at the time I think it was when I think it started in like Halloween, like October, so I didn't want to like, interrupt like my schedule for like my horror looks that I did in October, which by the way, you guys can check out. Okay, I will leave the playlist for you guys to watch. And so I decided to just leave it till the show ended. Today I watched the final episode of season 2 and it was really good in my opinion. A lot of questions in my personal opinion, but hopefully I get those questions answered. So yeah, like I said, we're doing a Loki look today. Okay, so yeah, but without further ado, let's get started. Since I basically have the bases of my face pretty much done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to basically just the eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using my two palettes. Okay, I'm gonna be using my pink palette, which has, obviously you guys know I'm gonna be using pretty much green and like maybe a little bit gold, you know what I mean? So for this palette, I'm gonna be using this Dinero green right here, because it's like the lightest green I own. I don't really have too many greens, but I do also have in my Bea Forever palette, I do have this darker green, which I love the combination of having pretty much both, you know what I mean? Like I have both types of greens that I'm going to be working with. This is going to be perfect. And then for the gold, I will also be using that little gold right there that you guys can see right there in Bea Forever as well. Okay, y'all, the look is done. All right, so basically, as you guys can see, I did use the 3 colors that I told you guys. I first started with the light green going like around my eyes. You guys can see I did like the concealer. I did concealer like on like my actual eyelid to do like the gold, that way it like pops out and stands out. I need to do that more often because it looks really good in my opinion right now. So I did the green around my eyelid, and then I did like the darker green that I showed you guys in Bea Forever. I did that going outside, and it really like popped out, both of them together. And then on the eyelid I went ahead and did the gold. And then for the lips, my green lipstick, I mean, she's iconic, she's everything. And I just did my lashes, I did my eyeliner. Since I wasn't wearing eyeliner today, you guys probably saw I didn't do my mascara because I was already wearing mascara, because I wear makeup now like on a daily basis. So like, you know, my bases are technically already done by the time I'm starting to film, so you know, it's all lit, you know. But anyways, yeah, if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like, make sure to subscribe. Okay guys, we are almost at 400 subscribers. It is insane, you guys. I literally just reached 300 like what, maybe like last week or like 2 weeks ago, and I'm already almost there to 400. Guys, please, it means the world to me that you guys subscribe, that you guys watch these videos, and you guys like them and comment and stuff like that. So please do your girl a favor and leave a like, leave a comment, leave a nice comment, share it with your friends, you know what I mean. And also follow me on all my social medias, which I have them all linked down below. It is on one link, so you guys can just check out that link and it'll give you all my links to all my socials. And also please make sure to subscribe, okay, for more makeup videos. Okay, I do a lot of things on here. Okay, I do makeup videos, I do gaming videos, I sometimes do like little random things that I like to do. Sometimes I'll do movie reviews. Okay, I do a lot of fun things on here. Okay, someone left me a comment requesting a room tour, which is something I'm heavily thinking about, since I've basically changed my room now. You know, the last time I did a room tour, I was still a femboy. So, you know, maybe I can do like my trans girl edition. So if you guys want that, please make sure to subscribe. And also, I will see you guys next time. Bye.